Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to remove the hard drive from the new HP. The model is, shows here, if you flip it upside down, it should say TPN-I120. I'm here with my assistant, Christine. Okay, so to take off the hard drive, simply you need some few tools, mainly screwdriver, Phillips, small one. This one is an improvised plastic. You can use any plastic, and you can use a knife, a cutter knife. You can just simply make it sharp in the end. So we're gonna use this as a prying tool, and a magnet. This is the magnet to hold all the screws together so you don't lose them. Okay, let's get started. So first you have to remove the battery, and that should be simple enough. So make sure it's on the unlock and you take it out. One step down, okay. And all the screws, I've removed all of them actually. It's so simple. All of them are this size, okay. And as I'm taking them out, I make sure I put them on a magnet so I don't lose them. So there are a few screws, so I'm gonna count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But there are actually 4 hidden screws. This is actually the stand. So you have to take this out, and it will expose the other 2 screws on both ends. So you have to take them out. They're all on the same size of the screw, and I'm going to show you. This is the screw. Okay, so now once the screws are removed, we're gonna use our improvised prying tool to remove this. You see how I do this? You cannot use a metal. Metal will just simply crack the plastic, so it has to be plastic to plastic. So I'm using plastic. So simply, see, spray it around the edges. Okay. There you go. Alright. Okay. Now it's kind of loose, as you can see. So you don't start on this side. Actually, sorry. You cannot start on this side. This has all those video connectors and the other USB stuff. So this will be holding it. The video port is going to be holding in the plastic. So you have to take it off from here. Now, since I pried it out, you can see there's an opening. I can simply put this upside down and use the prying tool if possible. Okay. You see, you have to lift this one first and then slowly slide this one out, so to get this thing out of the picture, right? So there you go. Make sure you don't crack the case, because you know laptops are very sensitive, very fragile. Easy. That's it. And this is the hard drive. The hard drive is easy to remove. It has this connector. There's no other screws. I would suggest you take it off first by sliding this out. This is the connector, the adapter for it. Once it's off, this is only held by this rubbery thing that goes on the hard drive. You can simply put it up. That's it. And you can do whatever you need to do on the hard drive. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is how you remove, again, the hard drive on the HP TPN-I120 model. And for this purpose, I replaced the hard drive from a SATA to a solid state to make it faster. That's all, folks. And putting it back, if you wish, it's simply as starting is going to be on the opposite end. So where those video connectors are and the USB, you have to slide it in first. So position those ports like that. So once they're in halfway in, I would say, then you can start like, you know, putting the pressure on the other end to put it in, to put it back, right? So, and then put all the screws. Make sure you put the stand in here, the rubber stands. You're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.